So I'll be showing you how to enable and also how to disable auto power off on your GoPro Hero 12. So the first thing you want to do is swipe down and then swipe to the right and then tap on preferences. Under preferences, go to general, tap on that, and then go to auto power off. You can see mine is set to 5 minutes, which basically means if there's no activity on the camera for 5 minutes, it automatically shuts off. So you can tap on that and then you can change that to either 1 minute or 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or even set to never. Now setting to never is basically turning off the auto power off feature. So that means your camera will never automatically turn off. Okay, so that's off. Then for on, you have all these options. I'll set mine to 30 minutes and that's it. Now you can exit and go back to the main home screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.